me, do you actually invest in anything?
Yes, I do.
What kind of
Saudi
stocks?
equities, particularly the healthcare sector.
Why?
Demand for healthcare is really growing in Saudi. The expenditure is also growing from the Saudi government. It's a sector which I envision to do very well in the next coming years. So it's a growth play. So hopefully that will happen.
Do you feel comfortable with your investments, and would you advise your friends to do the same?
Yeah, I think there are some really good quality stocks within the Saudi market, but it also obviously depends on what the investor is looking for. So it's very subjective in terms of what returns or how they want to play the market.
Would you consider investing in real estate?
I haven't really researched much about the real estate currently, but yes, I do think real estate is relatively a safe haven. So yes, I think it's like, especially if you invest in places where real estate is constantly picking up, then yeah, definitely, I would say it's a good investment.
If you could put one financial goal for yourself, what would it be?
I guess it depends on like my target. So maybe just to on the minimum to return what I put into the market, and hopefully, obviously, if I'm trying to be overly optimistic, then double my returns.
So, do you currently have any investments?
Yes, I do.
What asset class do you invest in?
Mainly in money markets and time deposits.
And why do you choose those asset classes?
They're low risk. The investment is pretty much guaranteed. It's a small return, but the risk isn't that high, so that's what I prefer.
Would you eventually go into more riskier assets like equities, or do you prefer to stay in the low risk arena?
If there was the right kind of information available, the right kind of guidance, then maybe I'd consider it. But given the current information that we have that's available for young investors, I'd rather stay in the safer environment.
Would you rather, if you were ever to enter into equity trading, would you do it on an online platform or through a wealth management firm?
Probably through a firm where I could get a dedicated person that can help me and guide me through it.
Hi Majid.
Hello.
How are you?
Good.
So tell me, do you have any investments currently? Do you invest in stocks, bonds, real estate?
I do have investment in stock, but I prefer real estate.
Can you tell me why you prefer real estate to stocks?
The reason why I prefer real estate is because, if you buy land, and you have the authorized paper that you own it. I mean, it's better for me just to have assets, and it's right there in front of me.
Do you consider yourself a person who likes to take risks when investing, or you prefer something that has a kind of more consistent stream of income?
Honestly, no. I don't think I'm a risk taker. I think that I'm more into that. It's in front of me. I like to have everything that what I own or what I invest, have it in front of me.
Okay, and if you were to consider investing in some more stocks, would you do it through an online trading platform by yourself, or would you prefer a wealth manager?
No, I would definitely prefer a wealth manager.
Okay, thank you.
Anything.